It's time for another paint party. Today I'm going to be doing an open cup on a 12-inch by 16-inch canvas. I have placed it on top of a spin table so that I can use that as my way to help distribute the paint after it has been poured. I will be providing you the brands and colors of paint that I'm going to be using in the description, as I typically do. I will also be playing you music during the pouring portion, as I typically do, but as usual I'll come back at the end and we'll talk about the results, and I'll give you a close-up then. Today I wanted to point out that I typically use black as my color to pour into for open cups. I really like that effect, but today I decided to try something different, so I'm going to be using brown instead. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's party! Okay guys, I think I'm going to stop there. I'm going to get the camera down now and give you guys a close-up. Okay, let's take a close-up of this gorgeous painting. I'm not sure that you can tell, but this painting is loaded down with metallics. So this is going to have a lot of sparkle once it's dried. See, this area in here will be like blinding because it's nothing but metallics. It's going to look so different when it's dry because copper looks nothing like it's going to look when it's dry, when it's wet. Here, it actually looks kind of pink, and it's, of course, not. I had some trouble with my Raw Umber, despite the fact that I shook the bottle forever trying to get it mixed up well. It came out not mixed up very well. Didn't look mixed up very well. Even though I really shook the bottle a whole lot. And I took a knife before I turned the camera on to do this close-up, and I tried to mix it up in this area better. You still see a little bit where there's some darker spots, but that shouldn't matter. Once it dries, it should still look okay. And I had a clump of some copper that I had to dig out, but otherwise I didn't do anything else to it. This one is very different. Not my typical color combination, and definitely don't typically use brown to pour into when I do a open cup. Let's move around some different orientations and see how it looks. Very different depending on how you look at it. I think I like this orientation the best that I've seen so far. And let's see what this looks like. That's pretty interesting. But I hope you guys have enjoyed it. It's something different, and I'm always trying to come up with something different. And I hope you guys are inspired to do something different yourself. And I will bid you farewell for now, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.